This video I'll show you how to win in Megapari. This is very easy. Subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I want you to create a professional Megapari account. To do that, click on register, fill in your details from choosing your country to your email address, repeat your password, and in the promo code box, you're going to use the promo code LeoTV. If you use the promo code LeoTV, you're going to receive a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit your $100, you might receive $300. Once that is done, click on these three boxes and register your account. Now let's continue. So if you have your Megapari account and you want to win, here's exactly what to do. You can go over to the event you want to win. There are live matches, there are pre-matches, there are all types of matches that you can bet on. So for instance, you come over here and if you want to win in Megapari, then bet on very sure odds. Like for instance, you can bet on Real Madrid beating Real Sociedad because you know that's a sure match. So you can bet on that. And the other options like betting on Bayer Leverkusen to beat Arminia Bielefeld. So if you want to win Omega Paris, just bet on very sure events. Here's another one: Paris versus UCL Dunkerque. If you bet on this and you bet on Paris, you are sure to win.